Mitsubishi MU-2 owners, pilots, and maintainers gathered for the annual MU-2 fly-in September 29th to October 1st in Coatesville, Pennsylvania, to share tips, upgrade advice, and to enjoy the embrace of the passionate MU-2 community. The highlight of the event was a formation flyby with an MU-2 and Philadelphia attorney Jim Beasley's P-51 Mustang.
So SureFlight's hosting this event because we do aircraft paint, interior, avionics work. We own a Mitsubishi MU-2, so we're very enthusiastic about the aircraft. It's a long heritage of aviation in our family. We eat, sleep, breathe airplanes and helicopters. We're helicopter pilots as well. Our sons are interested in aviation, so that'll extend it into the fourth generation. So we're looking forward to that as well.